Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to week 4 geography. We are continuing to look at maps, and this week I want you to find an example of a world map and a United States map that either you or someone has used in your life. So if you ever used a map, find someone who has, or if you never have used a map, find someone who has. This gives you an opportunity to talk to your family members, maybe your mom, your dad, your aunt, uncle, neighbor, or friend. And I want you to interview this person. Google document is fine. You can do a piece of paper and a pencil and write down your answers, but what type of map did they use? And what did you use it for? So for example, if I had a United States road map and I used it to drive to Nashville, Tennessee over a spring break trip, I would look at it to use it for the interstate and directions and what roads and freeways and highways I would need to take. So then take a photo of the map and write a few sentences of how your family member has used it. And then I also added my own example of the map that I used when we went to Florida. During our e-sessions this week, we're going to be bringing some of these maps to our discussion. I'm going to bring a few maps and show you certain ways that I use them. But there's a little bit more to this week as well. So we're also going to talk about fun ways that you have used maps. I'm not sure if anybody plays Minecraft or Pokemon Go, maybe done some geo caching, ever played Zelda, Sims, Fish Finder, things like that in our everyday life. Lots of people use maps for. So we're going to take a look at that in our e-sessions this week. If you've ever played any of these or done any of these activities, please bring your thoughts to our discussion for our e-session. And then we're going to be looking at the next 3 weeks to come. How have you used a map in your free time? If you haven't or need an idea, we can explore the list that we started here. But again, this is going to be a really heavy conversation during our e-sessions this week as far as how do we use maps for fun and how do we use them for a purpose. And just because you use them during a video game doesn't mean you're not using a map correctly. It means you're doing it in a more enjoyable way. So we're going to talk about that this week. I look forward to seeing you on our e-sessions.